Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin from the Vanderkinverse. Hey, I'm super excited today. We're doing something different. We're doing a giveaway. So, you found my new site. I'm glad you're here. There's instructions down below. But we're giving away this Lenovo VoIP 360 camera speaker. So, this thing, it looks like a thermal detonator from Star Wars, but it's actually a camera and speaker that go in the middle of the table. So if you're having you bring your laptop to a conference room, you set it in the middle of the table, everybody in the conference room's picture shows up on the other end, full 360 view. Or it can be set to just standard camera mode, or it's got some other camera modes too. I think I shot another video, you'll probably see that in the link below. Or also in these days where we're all staying home, imagine you could set this up on the table and your loved ones could see your whole family sitting around the table. So it's a 360 camera, it's free, it's new in box, still sealed. Just follow directions in the comments and it's yours to win. I'll be happy to ship it out. Thanks for joining everybody and thanks for finding my new site. Bye.